Grydale machines are designed and built in Australia. It's a fully worldwide patented machine. Basically what you're doing is we're pulling in 30 cubic meters of dirty air per second, which is a huge amount of extraction taking place. And with a machine of this size, you need that, because it's making a lot of dust, especially in a hard rock quarry such as this. The dust is being pulled into the machine by a centrifugal fan. Within the machine we've got 32 high performance filters, so the dust is obviously collected on the filters as it's pulled through by the fan. We've got a pulse system which is powered by the air compressor, so every few seconds the pulse system is firing a high pressure jet of compressed air over the filters, individual filters, which basically as a percussion effect throws the dust from the filters into the base of the dust collector. That means the filters are continually being kept clean all the time.
Right. So that's always a big issue, folks, on any filtration system. It's about keeping it clean, isn't it? Blowing the fans out and stuff like that. Tony, come with me, because I thought there was only going to be 2 points where you could bring in the material, Tony, but we see another further 4 here.
That's right.
So you can get not just one machine but other machines on this as well, can't you?
That's
and I guess you can get longer hoses or extraction fan device machine things into that as well, can't you?
You can, yeah. I mean, this machine at the moment is only working with a 10-meter length of ducting to the Rock Hawg. This machine will operate up to 50 meters away from the source of dust. So obviously in a situation where you literally can't get the machine in near to the excavation taking place, you can have a 50-meter length of ducting. Plus also, we've got the different intakes, as you mentioned, Peter. So we've got 4 on the side, 1 at the end there. We're actually running 2 ducts into that end. Basically what it means is you can operate this machine with various different excavators within any site location. These machines are very effective on tunnelling works, and that's where we've had a huge amount of success in Australia in the big tunnelling works that have been taking place there in Sydney and Melbourne. And with a machine like this parked there, they can operate various road headers, rock hogs, different attachments that are creating dust. Just one machine can be parked, one dust collector, just removing all of the dust, extracting all of the very dangerous silica dust that they've got in Australia and we've got here as well.
Right, but Tony, there's something else I want the viewers to see. Follow me, guys. Over here, not only we're going to pass this, but we're going to come round here to the control unit. Tony, that is a Volvo Stage 5 engine in this machine. That means this machine is European compliant.
Absolutely.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Absolutely.
And that's the difference, Tony, isn't it? And what we've got here, folks, is this is the powerhouse, the really sophisticated CAN-bus-based powerhouse, isn't it, Tony?
That's right.
Where you can put information into here. And wait 1 minute, guys, because it's off at the moment. Don't panic. But Tony, if I could move you out of the way for a second.
Yeah.
Guess what, folks? It's remote controlled. I'm not going to put this around my neck, but you can literally stand anywhere on the site, remote controlling this machine in pure safety, obviously, because we're in a quarry environment here. So that means that this machine can move remotely as the other machines that are around it and attached to it are there, doesn't it, Tony? So
it does, yeah.
There's a solution here, Tony, that works for numerous different things. But on this site here, we're fundamentally being more environmentally friendly, aren't we? And we're helping the villagers over here and the guys in the Breedon office there, isn't it? Tell me, where else can we be using these machines, do you think?
Well, these machines have got a lot of different uses, Peter. I mean, as I mentioned earlier, the tunnelling contracts in Australia have been very, very successful. Dust is a massive problem, obviously, in all tunnelling contracts. So it's certainly an area that we see in the UK with quite a lot of tunnelling work that's going to be commencing in the future.
Oh, there's a little project, Tony, we've got down the road, folks. A little project called HS2. Might be a few tunnels involved there, Tony.
Oh, for sure, yeah. And there's definitely a lot of interest regarding that contract. We've also got another major tunnelling contract where we've already got ourselves into a position where the contractor is actually helping us to design and specify a slightly different machine.
Right, so there's more to these machines than meets the eye, folks. There's a range and there's different things you can do with it, Tony.
Absolutely.
This is the first in the UK, folks. Tony knows, secret squirrel bit there, Tony, that it's not going to be the last in the UK, and there's some serious dust extraction to be done around here to keep the environment clean and also to support the wider communities that actually support Breedon bringing aggregate out of this quarry. So thanks very much, Tony.
Thank you. Thanks,
Cheers.
Peter.